To change the palette formats at the VI level, let's first create a new VI by pressing Ctrl N. Let's now go to Tools, then Options, and then to the Controls and Functions palettes. Another way to come to this configuration dialog box is to launch the Tools palette, tag it, go to Customize, and then to Options. You will come to the same place, and from here we can customize how the palettes look, and from here you can select the format for the palette that you want. Suppose we want it to be tree. Now when we apply OK, let's call the palette again, and it appears as a tree format, not only for the block diagram but also for the front panel. It applies to both front panel and the block. Now if you want to just change the look of the just suppose front panel and not the block diagram, then we can't use this right click palette as it is not allowing us to tag it. So we will go to the view menu, and the reason for that is because we have selected tree as the format. Let's call it from here and then customize, and then view this palette as, for example, category, icons and text. Then that is how it appears, but only for that particular front panel. And if we go to the block diagram, right click, it's again still appearing as a tree. To change its format, let's call it from the view menu. It's tagged. Now we can customize it to, let's say, standard, and then it appears that way. Also note that when you upgrade, the LabVIEW attempts to restore the palette format from the previously installed version of LabVIEW. That is the format that you last saved in the previous version.